Most of the women couldn't read. They signed anyway. Cradley Heath, the Black Country, 1910. Women making chains, 12 hours a day, 6 days a week, for tuppence halfpenny an hour. In 1909, Parliament passed a law, the Trade Boards Act. It set a minimum wage for chainmakers. For many women, nearly double their pay. But the factory owners refused to pay it. There was a loophole in the act. Workers could sign a form opting out of the minimum wage. Most of the women couldn't read. They signed. Mary Macarthur had spent years in these forges. She called them some torture chamber of the Middle Ages. She knew what it felt like to stand in one. She organized the women. On the 22nd of August, 1910, 800 women laid down their hammers. 10 weeks. A strike fund was raised across the country. £4,000. They won. Every penny of their back pay secured. A workers' institute was built in their honor, still standing. Today, 90% of countries have a minimum wage law. Traces back to 800 women who laid down their hammers and didn't pick them up until they were paid what the law said they were owed. That is your history, and almost no one is telling you. This history has no budget, no broadcaster, no institution behind it, just the people who believe it deserves to exist. Your support is what keeps it going. Proudofus.co.uk/support. Be part of us. Be proud of us.